Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Wasik and I am currently enrolled in Mechatronics and Control Engineering at UAT Lahore. The last challenge which was given to us was to create website using WordPress. So, according to that, I have created a responsive website on WordPress using Elementor. Secondly, the website which I have created is, as you can see on the screen, is named as Code Crackers. This website will it is basically a blog website along with the short courses. It will give you a knowledge about the different programming languages, and apart from the programming languages, it will also help you in understanding some programming techniques using the blogs. So, moving further, we have the latest post which shows that the which shows our latest blogs on different topics. Different basically, our main purpose is to focus on the programming languages. So, the topic of blogs will be the same as to the programming. Next, I have placed some animation as you can see on the screen. Moving on further, actually, I want to add some sort of sponsor, but I didn't get one because it is a it is created on local host. So basically I'm an iPhone user and I usually use Facebook and Instagram. So I put those as my partners. And moving on to our about page, it shows our mission and our vision, what we want to do, and what is our vision that we want to you can say establish. Now, moving on to our services, these services include some short courses related to the programming languages. As you can see, it is on your screen right now. And why us and what you can get from us. It will help the user to know that if we are capable of dealing with him or her, so, so that he can rely on us. Now, moving on to the blog post, I have only placed a single blog over here. As you can see, it was on the homepage as well. And to add a sort of interest in our side, or to, as you can say, increase surfing of our side, I have created a sort of free world tour for the most active members. It will help the site to get more attention as it is giving a free world tour. So now, moving on to our contact page, as you can see on the screen, if user is having some sort of issues related to any of the you can say uh, recorded lecture or the blogs, he didn't understand something, he can contact us using our email, or he can give us his or her email so that we can contact him in case of any queries. As you can see in the footer, I have placed my address as well for in case if the user want to personally connect with me, he can come at any time. As I told you earlier that my website is a responsive one, so its display on the desktop will be as you can see on the screen, and the tablet will be like this as it will reduce the pixels, and on mobile phone it will like as you can see on the screen. Now, moving on to the appearance theme that I have used Astra Parents, and I have edited it with Elementor. So editing it with Elementor was quite an easy task. It didn't took much of my time to edit it. Next, I want to show you my plugins that I have used. I actually used Astra for one reason, because that is that I some of the features that I wanted to use were paid, and I wanted so I had to come up with some sort of idea. So I used Live Mesh add-on for Elementor that helped me in performing some of my tasks. So this is my website. I hope you like the uh, whole front end which I have developed, and looking forward for a positive response from your side. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.